The cap comes off in respectful doff, or maybe it stays on. Tricky thing, tradition, when a hair clip or two is protecting the dew. It takes years to walk a few meters, but those fears of a stumble or trip were unfounded. And even if you did, who cares? You did the thing. Lessons learned. Letters earned. Oh, the times, they are a-changing. Friends go ranging, and some stay near, some stick round here. But we stick together. Decades pass, and everyone still remembers the Woodville. And maybe, long from now, it'll be your kids, or your kids' kids, sharing their vids. And you'll nose end your specs and say, I remember my day, when the cap came off in respectful doff.